everyone, I am Dr. Rebecca Omokaro-Okolo, founder of HealthThenMore and co-founder of the Progeny Cerebrum mentorship community. For the past 5 years, I have put a lot of effort and poured my heart into building HealthThenMore, with its primary goal being to connect, promote, and keep medics and individuals at large informed at no cost. During the same time while working on HealthThenMore, I have written and passed the English and medical licensing exams in the UK, USA, and Canada. This means that I have written and passed the IELTS, the PLAB 1, PLAB 2, MSRA, MCCEE, QE1, QE2, NACOSCI. In the US, the USMLE Step 1, Step 2 CK, Step 2 CS, and Step 3. I've also taken medical communication classes to boost my communication skills. Today, I am pleased to say that I am ECFMG certified and I hold the licentiate of the Medical Council of Canada. I am also on the medical register in 3 countries, the UK, Canada, and Nigeria. Most importantly, I have been accepted into a residency program. I was able to do all of this while married with 2 toddlers with the right kind of support from my family. However, in a quest to achieve all of this, I was faced with so many hurdles, and I came so close so many times to quitting and throwing in the towel. Therefore, knowing how rigorous the journey can be, and in a bid to help any other person that would like to take the medical exams in the UK, USA, or Canada, I and a team of doctors who have also written and passed the exams have come up with a new initiative. It's called the Dr. HealthThenMore Tutorials. You can learn more about these tutorials at www.drhealththenmore.com. And henceforth, using at Dr. HealthThenMore, I will be more upfront and personal about my career journey, and I will also be sharing my opinions on health and other social issues. So if you have any questions regarding your health, your career, I will be most happy to answer them. If you have any question regarding any of these medical licensing exams, you can always ask me. If I don't have the answer, at the very least, I can help find someone that can answer your questions. And meanwhile, if you're interested in career advice from different health professionals, you need to check out Progeny Cerebrum. Visit Progeny Cerebrum on Instagram or the website at www.progenycerebrum.com. My name is Dr. HealthThenMore, and there is more to come, so stay tuned. Till then, bloom like a rose with butterflies.